I used to build things. That was my thing. A railing for my neighbor, a bookcase for my sister. Then I became the person nobody called. The workshop just sat there, tools collecting dust, a version of me I couldn't get back to. But something shifted. Not all at once, slowly, the way things that matter usually do. I started showing up again. To the workshop. To the people who needed me. To the life I'd been walking past. I picked up a hammer, built something simple. Took me all day for something that used to take 2 hours. But I finished it. And that one thing gave me the strength to find the rest. To get back to the other parts of my life I thought were gone for good. To remember what it felt like to be someone who finishes things, someone who shows up, someone who can. I didn't just get my workshop back. RHA Health Services helped get my me back.
Get my me back. To find services near you, visit rhahealth.org/me or call 1-800-848-0180.